I decided to part ways. This car's for sale. I'm gonna be parting it out. No way they got Eleanor right here, bro. We got Lightning McQueen over here. I saw this gem from across the room and I had to come see it. Favorite Ferrari as a kid. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I feel like I haven't picked up the camera in a long time, and I'm so sorry for that. Honestly, I've been super busy behind the scenes. But today we're gonna talk about this car. So I decided to part ways. This car's for sale. I'm gonna be parting it out. Nah, just kidding. So as you guys read by the title of the video, I put everything is for sale. By everything I mean the RPF ones. And if you guys remember, I got a motor like a month ago or two. I'm not 100% sure about selling it, but I mean, if anybody wants it, it's a VHR. It has low comp, so it's perfect to like rebuild it. If anybody wants it, just shoot me an offer. The reason I'm getting rid of it is because I think I'm gonna go a different route, so I don't have any use for it. If anybody wants it, you could just DM me on Instagram. But to answer your question, because I know a lot of you guys are probably asking yourselves this, yes, I'm still going built. No, I am not going stock motor. I'm going built, but just going a different route. And as far as the RPF ones go, the fronts are 18 by 9.5 plus 15, and the rears are 18 by 10.5 plus 15. If anybody wants them, hit my DMs on Instagram. I'm asking $1,700 or best offer. Shoot me an offer. I want these things gone. Once these wheels are gone, what do you guys think I should get for the fronts? I might leave these on this car or on the next car that I'm gonna get, and just get some other fronts with the weld in the back. I already have an idea, but I want to see what you guys think. What should I put on the front? I've been seeing all the comments saying, when is the Z gonna be back? All the messages, bro, like what's going on? What are you doing? You're lagging it. I know. Trust me, I know. Nobody wants to see this car out more than me. Believe me, bro. That's all I think about. I miss this car so much. Just being able to hop in, go for a cruise, go out with the homies, just drive it in general. I miss it so much. Driving this thing is just not cutting it. It's a nice car. I love it. But it's just not this car. This car is so much fun. It's just fast. I just miss it. Another reason why I've been taking so long is because I'm trying to do everything right this time. I'm trying to take my time, trying to take everything slow, you know, to make sure everything comes out good. For those of you guys that know, the first turbo kit that I had, I rushed everything, like completely rushed it, and it gave me some issues. So with this, I'm trying to take my time, you know, take everything slow. I might do another turbo kit, so I'm gonna take that slow as well, just to make sure once the car is out, I have no hiccups, no problems. And if there's a hiccup, it's just a small one, you know, because when building a car, problems come, but I'm trying to minimize the problems as much as possible. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and pretty much answer you guys' questions, because I know I've been seeing a lot of DMs, a lot of comments. When is the car going to be back? I missed the videos, but I know, trust me, I miss this car more than anybody. So if any of you guys are interested in either two items, the wheel or the block, shoot a DM on Instagram. As far as the wheels go, I'll take $1,700 or best offer. And the block, just shoot me an offer, honestly. The best offer takes it. Just seeing it this dirty and this abandoned makes me sad. I really hope we get it to the shop this week to get this process going. Keep that turbo kit or get rid of it.
The next day.
What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I have my lovely girlfriend here to the right of me. Like 2 days ago, she told me I have a surprise for you on Friday, which is today. Get ready at this time, whatever. She said to bring my vlog camera, so I have a feeling it has something to do with cars. I don't know, but we're about to find out. We're like, how far are we?
Like less than 10 minutes.
We're like less 10 minutes away, so we're about to find out. I don't know. I don't know what to expect, to be honest, but let's see where we go. Is there any way you're surprising me with like a GTR or something? No.
No.
There's no way.
Maybe I rent a GTR.
Wait, really? Alright guys, we made it. She brought me to the Peterson Museum. It's funny. I actually was supposed to come to like a car meet, like a Z car meet here like a couple years ago, but I never came. But it's sick, they got like old Porsches everywhere. Look at this one that they have just chilling right here in the parking lot. Another Porsche. And they got a Tesla big rig over here. I never seen one of these. 2017. Ah, it's a prototype. Bro, that's crazy. The world is going electric. Made it in. Bro, I'm sick. A real life Hot Wheel. That's crazy. $1.95. I'll buy it. That is so whack. I gotta agree with you there, buddy. I gotta agree with you there. Say they got the fast ass one right here. And they got the Cybertruck over here. Imagine daily driving this. What the f? It's a Banshee. And we got a Bet over here. Crazy. It's crazy to see how the first Corvette looked and now how they look now. Got the red guts too. No way they got Eleanor right here, bro. Damn, that has to be my favorite car here. So far, at least.
They have the Batmobile.
That's why I'm more focused on Eleanor. Have you guys ever watched Gone in 60 Seconds? Damn, that's crazy. Jeez, we can't really see it. Jeez, my boy's dang. Got a nitrous button right there. You can see it. This car looks so good, bro. Definitely my favorite car so far. The Batmobile, bro, that's crazy. You guys think we would've got the Z or no? My boy needs a buff though. No way. We got Lightning McQueen over here. That's crazy. That's sick. What the heck? This will got the Z for sure. I'm not gonna lie. Look at the Tomei on this thing. Rear mount. Got a Rari. That's crazy what they used to look like. Imagine driving this car in 1956. GT3 boys. Carbon fiber. Yeah, you ain't stealing these wheels, buddy. This one's so clean. Turbo S. Oh dang, this one has plates and everything. So what, people just come and park their cars here? Alright, what would you do if I picked you up in this? Where'd you go? Where you going? Got the J-Spec hot rod over here. You got the Switch. Alright, bro, what is that? There's no way. Oh, it's a Rolls Royce. There's no way people actually drove this back in the day. 1925. Bro, who's driving this? God? Be for real, bro. 1925, who's driving this? I saw this gem from across the room and I had to come see it. Damn, son. This car's worth more than my house. Sheesh. Back then, in 1967, 165 mile per hour, 306 horsepower. That's crazy. It's a DE right here. So there's like this Forza simulator. It's pretty sick. Let's see if I get on the board. The fastest time is 1:19. Alright, see if I got this driver mod. Forgot to record, but you know your boy got first place. What place did you get?
Third.
Suck. I'll be in my Tesla, you know what I'm saying?
No, you can't even do it.
Wow, just you play on the actual.
Oh, you know what it is? Oh, when you get Tesla, you can do this.
Oh, so it's just like a showing that you can play video games? Like, does it look like I want to play video games while I'm driving?
Cool, though.
So I guess this part is like an extra admission. So we made it to the car meet. Imagine, bro, this was a car meet. Alright, we're off to a great start right here. MR2. Got the J-Spec over here. Is this that one kit for the G35s? I actually seen one for sale the other day too. Bro, what is that? I think I've seen it before too, actually. Talk about limo tint. Oh, this is hard. Where? That's the only way I can move my Z right now. I need one of these so I can move the Z out the garage for some pictures. Forget carbon fiber, I'm gonna do this to the Z. See through hood and fenders. Look at the back seat of this thing. Perfect for sneaky links, you feel? We got Suki's S2000. Bro, look at the seats. Damn, they got it on point with the gauges and even that thing is here, no way. Like a little computer. I'm gonna just build one of these and cap everybody. The real Daytona. Not like them scat packs that have the Daytona sticker. Boy's gutted. Ready for them roll nights. Bruh. Oh hell, that's a UFO right there. Made it to my garage. I think I'm gonna hop in the Enzo today. Damn, that's crazy. That used to be my favorite Ferrari as a kid. This one's super sick too, but damn, the Enzo, bro. That's the first time I ever seen one in person. That's crazy. It's worth more than my house, her house, all of our houses. The F40s. Just like that, we're back in the Camry. Thank you for bringing me. That was fun. I'm gonna try to get my car in there and watch.